Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most iconic off-roaders of all time, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. And let me tell you, the Wrangler's powertrain lineup has gone through a bit of a shakeup this year, so buckle up because we've got some juicy updates to dive into. So here's the deal. The 2025 Wrangler lineup has had a bit of a, powertrain divorce. Yep, you heard that right. The 3.6-liter V6 engine is now rolling solo with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 8-speed automatic? It's no longer available with the V6. Instead, the automatic is exclusively tied to the Wrangler's turbocharged 4-cylinder, or the big boy, the V8. In other words, the manual gets sole custody of the V6 this year. For all you manual transmission lovers out there, this is your Wrangler. But if you're more of an automatic kind of driver, Jeep's keeping those options alive with the turbo 2.0-liter inline-four, the plug-in hybrid 4X, and the beastly Rubicon 392 with its 470 horsepower Hemi V8. So what are we looking at under the hood for 2025? The base 285 horsepower V6 is now only available with a 6-speed manual transmission. Previously, you could opt for an 8-speed automatic for an extra $4,500, but not anymore. If you're after the 270 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, it's paired with the automatic gearbox, a $2,500 upgrade from the manual V6. Then, there's the hybrid 4xe 375 horsepower with that instant electric torque, perfect for off-roading. And of course, the automatic is standard here. Lastly, for the thrill seekers, the Rubicon 392 6.4-liter Hemi V8 delivers 470 horsepower, making it an absolute monster on the trails. And yep, it comes with an automatic too. After all these years, we finally have standard power locks and windows across the Wrangler lineup. Jeep's introduced a brand new paint option for 2025 called 41. It's inspired by the iconic military olive drab green from way back in the day, definitely giving off some retro vibes, paying homage to Jeep's roots. Now, what's the pricing going to look like for this refreshed Wrangler lineup? Well, Jeep hasn't announced the official numbers yet, but considering the features and updates, I'm guessing we won't see any major jumps from last year. Fingers crossed they keep it reasonable. So there you have it. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler is keeping things fresh while still being the off-road legend we all know and love. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates and reviews on the hottest cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.